Could the recent market melt up? Strange question, I know, but the recent market melt up. Could it set the stage for a market meltdown?
I think there's kind of a natural progression of things. And typically, whatever worked the year before tends to work into the next year. So as we know, artificial intelligence, mega cap tech, I get tired of talking about it. And they basically have sucked the air out of the room. If you look at December, it was a bad month for most stocks, but the Magnificent Seven was up over 5%.
Sure.
And literally accounted for 57% of the return of the S&P 500 was those 7 stocks, up 64% for the year. I think that momentum's probably going to continue into this year. But we're getting to a point where those valuations, Stuart, they're getting crazy. And I've talked about this quite a lot.
A lot of people I speak to on a regular basis, they're thinking about selling some of the stocks that have made big gains. They're doing extremely well in some big name stocks. They're thinking of selling early in January. They're getting old, for example. And they're thinking, maybe we don't have to pay the capital gains tax until next year. Not a bad deal.
I love that thinking. Buy high, sell low is, it's a great strategy. It always works over time.
No, that is buy low, sell high, sell at the high, and pay the capital gains tax 18 months away.
Yeah, sell high, buy, I guess, yes. But I'm saying then you can take that capital and you can buy elsewhere lower and then pay the gains later. I think it makes a lot of sense because here's the issue. The momentum is still there. And I think the fear is I don't want to miss any of that move up in the market, especially that Magnificent Seven move. But it's better to be early than late. And we saw this with the tech bubble. When it burst, it took you like literally 15 years to make back your money on a lot of those stocks. We talked about Microsoft on it. You love that stock.
That's right.
So I think reallocating your capital now, even if you miss some of the upside in those magnificent stocks and put in places like small caps, which trade a lot cheaper right now, probably makes a lot of sense.